Guys, so we have a 2005 or 2006 Lennox Elite. Lennox Elite. Let's see, it's a cool one. Yeah, it's a compressor blanket. Right over here. Yep. There's a disconnect. 4 blades. Copeland. Yeah, it's Copeland. So we got the new thermostat and new. So we gotta keep selling this house. There's a new condenser, new fan motor, a new top cover. There's a disconnect. It's 1 year. There's a surge protection. There's the on position. There we go. There we go. New thing. New. This is a new. And there's new line sets. Line sets new. Yep. There's your R410A refrigerant. See. Make sure it works. Yep, R410A is. Yep. There's your reversing valve and there's the reset button. Yep, there you have it, guys. It has 4 blades in a 2005 and 06 maybe. It might be a release on a 2005 Lennox. That made the Lennox made. There you have it, guys. Looks pretty cute, Lennox. Lennox looks pretty cute. It's so cute. Air conditioner is so cute. There's a gas mash up with the gas furnace. Yep, there you have it, guys.